out?
Yeah. Well, welcome to Great Cumbrae, or Cumbrae Island. Gotta we go this way? Oh, nice to get moving again. Oh, that's better. Oh. Guy, they're cleaning a mattress. You don't see that every day, do you? Somebody cleaning a mattress. Have you ever seen anybody clean a mattress outside? I haven't. Paul's left his indicator on again. Going to turn into the sea. Well, there's mainland Scotland. We're on an island. How cool is this? Well, there must be some rich people around here. Some of these yachts must be worth millions. Of course, we'll be camping on the other side of the island, so it's going to be a little bit more sheltered because we've got an easterly wind. The scenery is, oh look, there's a rock there with 4 great big holes in it. God, I thought Paul would have stopped and filmed that. But he just rode past it. I bet he didn't even notice it. Because usually Paul would stop instantly. Oh, I need my visor open, I need some air. Very stuffy. Right, we need to get some water from here and beer. some crisps or something. That's if I can get it on the bike. Bike's so packed. Well, nice beaches. Golden sand. Looks like they've got a new seawall. Looks brand new, that. Very, very nice here. That guy we were talking, that guy I was talking to, but I don't know if the camera was recording or not. He says he can wild camp here. Nobody will bother us. Oh, they have fish and chips. What we're looking for is some sort of spa shop or something. It must be something. What's this? Stalls, there, Premier Stalls. That'll do. Go and get some supplies. Yeah. Okay. Do you want any beer? No, I'll get it. I'll buy it. I might have some room in my back box. I'm going to turn the camera on and turn the camera off. See, I'm tired. Turn the camera on. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on when I come out. Back from the shop. Bought beer, water, Pringles and powdered milk. The powdered milk was cheaper than coffee, mate, so I bought the powdered milk. The water were only little bottles, so that's only... They only had fizzy, big bottles, sparkling. Fuck's sake. And on the ground. My leg gave way. Ish. Oh god, this bike's ridiculously loaded. Weighs a ton. If it falls over, I'll never pick it up. Right. Beer. Now I've got beer, I'm happy. Beer and crisps. I've eaten quite a lot today, so I think I might just have a pot noodle tonight. I don't really want anything else more than that. Can't go to the pub because you can't zero tolerance alcohol when you're riding or driving. Could have had a non-alcoholic lager. Never thought of that. Look at all these holiday places here. They're not brand new, those. I bet that's expensive to stop there overnight. For a week. Won't be cheap. Not with a view like that. Look at that view. That's where we're going tomorrow. Over there. But I'm looking to the left. We're going to get a fantastic sunset. We're looking for that camping spot. It's down here somewhere. Look at all the brambles. Loads. Wow, look at the view. That's just gobsmacking beautiful. Wow. That is rather special, that view. Eh?
There's a bit there over there on that side, the bit that went down. You could tent up there as well, or have a pee.
There's another bit going down there somewhere. Ah, it's just down here. If I can get down here, it'd be better. It's just off the road, and it's right on the shore. And there's a grassy bit. Down here, I think. I think this is it. Oh, look, painted rocks. This'll do. This'll do. Found a better spot just around the corner. Nobody will be able to see us. Just around the corner. Nobody will see us. Hidden. Wait for Paul to finish peeing. You don't want to see anything wiggly. I don't. Oh. Right, we'll ride the bikes around the corner. Put the tents up and get comfortable. It's off the road, nobody can see us. Bit of off-roading. Look at this for a camp spot. Right, sorted out. I want to show you some big jellyfish on the beach. And some more over here somewhere. Oh look, two here. Jellyfish. There's one in there was one in the water. Oh there. There's one in the water there. There's another one there. I'm not going to go swimming in there. There's too many jellyfish. You get stung. They're all over the place. There's another one there. Oh, just look at this. Just look at the view. I don't know what time it is. What time is it, Paul? Not listening. I think it's about 8 o'clock. But what a place to camp, you know. Free camping. We asked two of the islanders if it would be alright for us to wild camp, and they said yeah, no one's going to bother you. But just look at that. Just look at that. It's beautiful. The big mountains over there, that if I zoom in, look. It's not the best quality picture when you zoom in like that. Right. We'll go back up to the tents. I brought my gimbal and I'm not using it. I'm so lazy. Look, a ball of what the hell's that? It's like I don't know, it's like string, but it's not string, it's natural. Don't know what that is. Anybody knows what that is? Let me know. Go and say hello to Paul. Next time I use the video, I'll put the gimbal on. I promise. Say hello, Paul.
Hello. What did you find?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Big jellyfish.
Big jellyfish, oh no. I wanted to go swimming, I've got my swimming shorts on.
Yeah.
And my swimming shoes. Look. Sebago. Sebago, only the best.
How much do they cost?
Expensive. Yachty shoes these.
£100?
So you can go and walk on a yacht with these on.
Well, they must be about £500 worth then. Well, hot dogs for dinner.
I can't remember how much they were.
Hot dogs.
Long time ago. Kettles on. Right.
There's a yacht over there. Twin mast yacht. Me back again. I'm just sitting here watching this ship. Well, it's a great big yacht. Sailing by over there. Don't know if you can see it. It's over there somewhere. Paul's making me a cup of coffee. That is bring me a cup of coffee. Don't fall over the guide ropes.
There we go, sir.
Thank you.
Well, I've got you 3 sugars
Oh,
and milk. There's only them little sachets, so.
it's all right. I'm not going to complain. Cup of coffee. Limit myself to 2 cans of beer. I'll be good. Cumbrae. You haven't been to Great Cumbrae and camped here, it's a must. Especially gorgeous weather like this. We couldn't have asked for better weather. It's absolutely wonderful. We're so lucky. It's not raining and it's just a slight breeze. After being hot all day, it's really pleasant now. Right, when the sun gets a bit lower, I will do a drone shot. Hello everybody. Just going to do a sunset shot at Great Cumbrae Island. We will take off. Not going to be a long flight, just a short one.
Home point updated.
There's our tent. Well, that full tent. I'm going to brighten that picture up a bit. It's a bit dark. That'll do. What we'll do, I'll do a 360 so you can see where we are. That should be high enough. Right, I'll do a 360. Bit of a breeze, but not much. There's no point in flying all over the place. Actually, I should have gone a bit higher, shouldn't I? Then I could have got the whole island. We'll go up a bit. Right, we'll leave it there because it is a bit breezy. Strong wind warning. Beautiful view, isn't it?
It is.
This looks like caravans over there. It's a lot windier up there than it is down here. Keep getting wind warnings. Look at that view! It's beautiful. We're heading over that way tomorrow. Just over there. Poor drone. Wind warning, wind warning. Look at that. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. It doesn't like it up there. That'll do. I'll leave it there. Isn't that wonderful? I haven't seen any seals, have you?
No, I've never seen any around here.
Haven't you?
Too industrial, too busy.
Paul used to go diving here. How many years ago when you used to do diving here? Paul,
Sorry?
how many years ago was it when you used to do diving here?
Oh God, it's gone back about 15.
15 years.
Yeah. There isn't a lot of sea life in the immediate area.
We'll come down and say hello to Paul.
It's all starfish and
There's Paul.
oh, such a cute thing that. DJI 3, is it?
Yeah, DJI Mini 3.
DJI Mini 3.
Shot of Paul's bike.
Brilliant. What a sunset.
We'll fly down to the beach a little bit. Get a beach shot. I don't want to use too much battery up because it's charging everything. Look at that for a nice beach shot.
That's gorgeous, yeah.
Beautiful.
So good at doing that, aren't they, the drones?
Yeah.
Nothing can touch that.
No, it's not even moving.
No.
How steady that is.
You see it wobbling. Yeah, but the picture's rock solid.
I think that'll do. Has the sun gone down?
It's a shame that sailboat didn't go by just now.
I think the sun's gone down.
Because I've seen quite a few sailboats go by, larger ones, about 40 foot plus.
Do you think they're privately owned, or are they training sailing boats?
Some of them might be. But there's a sailing school there, so there'll be a few from there.
We'll zoom in a bit. Oh, that's not. There's the zoom in shot. Full zoom in shot.
Nice.
When you zoom in, the colours sort of pop out better.
Yeah. Totally amazing.
And if we look over this direction, you should be able to see the mountains in the distance.
You make it so easy to work that.
It is easy.
It is easy, right.
You just have to be gentle. Well, there's the mountains over there, look.
Yeah. That's a nice beautiful tree. Extremely scenic, this Cumbrae Island. We're on the west coast here.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on the west side of the island. Right, I think we'll leave it there because it's charging stuff and I don't want to run out of power, so we'll bring it back over here.
Well, I've got one power pack, it's down to about 60% now, charging up GoPro batteries and the Insta360. Hello! What are you doing?
There we go.
That's bloody good. Is it warm? No, it's cold, right?
It's good night for me and it's good night from
Yeah,
Paul.
good night everyone.
Good night from Paul.
Sweet dreams. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Or the sand bugs.
Or sand bugs, yeah.
Okie dokie. Look at that silhouette of your bike.
Brilliant.
Okay, that's it. Nighty nighty everybody.